Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a ride back to the late 1950s to explore one of the most iconic American cruisers, the 1959 DeSoto Fireflite Convertible. With its bold design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance, the Fireflite stood out as a true symbol of the jet age era. Let's dive into the details, starting with its exterior. Exterior. The 1959 Fireflite Convertible was a showstopper from every angle. DeSoto's designers went all in with futuristic styling, featuring massive tailfins that swept upward like rocket wings, complemented by sleek chrome accents and dual rear taillights. Up front, the dramatic grille stretched wide, with quad headlights that gave the car a commanding presence on the road. The convertible top added a touch of open-air elegance, while the wide side moldings and bold color options made it a rolling piece of art. This was a car designed to turn heads wherever it went, and it certainly did. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Fireflite Convertible offered a level of luxury that matched its striking exterior. Step inside, and you're greeted with premium materials like soft vinyl upholstery, chrome trim, and two-tone color schemes that perfectly captured the optimism of the era. The dashboard was a masterpiece of mid-century design, with a symmetrical layout, push-button transmission controls, and a sweeping speedometer. Bench seating provided comfort for up to 6 passengers, and with the top down, every drive felt like a celebration of style and freedom. Performance. Under the hood, the 1959 Fireflite didn't just look the part, it had the power to back it up. It came equipped with a 383 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering up to 305 horsepower through a smooth 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. This combination gave the Fireflite impressive acceleration for its time, making highway cruising effortless. The car's suspension was designed for comfort, soaking up bumps and providing a smooth, floating ride that 1950s cars were known for. Power steering and power brakes were also available, making it easier to handle this full-sized beauty. So, what makes the 1959 DeSoto Fireflite Convertible so special today? It's more than just a car, it's a symbol of an era when automotive design was bold, adventurous, and unafraid to stand out. With only a limited number of convertibles produced, it's a rare gem among classic car enthusiasts. Its combination of futuristic styling, spacious interior, and strong V8 performance makes it one of the most memorable cars of the 1950s. And there you have it, the 1959 DeSoto Fireflite Convertible, a car that perfectly blends style, comfort, and performance, while capturing the spirit of mid-century America.